Why did the orchid love water culture? Because it was always in its element! Orchids are beautiful exotic plants, but they are kind of tricky to take care of. A lot of the information that is on the plant tags of your plant from the store are inadequate or confusing to follow. But one method for growing orchids that has become increasingly more popular in recent years is water culture, or otherwise known as straight hydro. This involves growing your orchid in water rather than in soil. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transition your orchid that is in soil over to water culture. The first step in transitioning your orchid to water culture is removing it from its pot and shaking off all of the soil, the dirt, or anything that it's sitting in. Be careful not to damage the roots. Once the roots are clean, you'll want to inspect them for any signs of disease or damage. If you notice any discolored or mushy roots, you're going to need to trim them off before moving on to the next step. Next, you'll need to prepare a vessel of choice for your orchid. Something clear, plastic, or glass container works well for water culture. Fill the container with water and add liquid fertilizer. You can use specifically formulated for orchids, but I'm going to just use liquid fertilizer for houseplants. Place the orchid in the container, making sure the roots are completely submerged in the water. You may need to add more water or adjust the position of the plant to ensure proper coverage. It's important to keep an eye on the water level in the container and add more as needed. You should also be changing the water and adding more fertilizer every 2 weeks. With proper care, your orchid will thrive in its new water culture environment. And there you have it! A little bit of effort and care, and you can successfully transition your orchid from soil to water culture. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. XOXO, MM.